Hello students, today we will study the poem Rain on the Roof by Coates Kinney from CBSE Class 9 English book Beehive. I had already explained stanza 1 in my last video and now I am going to explain stanza 2 and 3. Let's start with stanza 2. Every tinkle on the shingles has an echo in the heart, and 1,000 dreamy fancies into busy being start, and 1,000 recollections weave their air threads into woof. As I listen to the patter of the rain upon the roof. Before proceeding, I am going to tell you the meaning of the difficult words. First word is tinkle, which means light ringing sound. Next is shingles, that means wooden tiles in rectangular shape used on roof. Echo means repeated sound. Woof, it is the thread woven across the loom. Busy being refers to human beings, and here it is being referred to the poet. Here in stanza 2, the poet expresses his emotions when he hears the raindrops falling on the rooftop of his house. The poet is saying that every tinkle on the shingles means short or light ringing sound made by rain on the roof tiles echoes in his heart. The sound repeats in his heart and in his dreams. He says the sound of the rain fills his mind with varied imaginations, and 1,000 recollections means thousands of past memories in the form of dreams weaves their air threads like a loom. Now, let's have a look at stanza 3 now. Now in memory comes my mother, as she used in years agone to regard the darling dreamers. She left them till the dawn. Oh, I see her leaning over me as I list to this refrain, which is played upon the shingles by the patter of the rain. Let me tell you the meaning of the difficult words in this stanza. Means before, dawn is sunrise, and here it means daybreak. List means listen. Refrain, a repeated part of a poem or a song, and here it refers to the repeated sound of the rain. Now listen to the explanation of stanza 3. Here the poet introduces his mother. He expresses that he is dreaming of his mother, who is no longer alive, which is clearly mentioned in line 2. In the past, she used to consider him a darling, and she would allow the poet to sleep till late and have sweet dreams. The poet feels as if his mother is looking with a fond look upon him. By the time he is listening to the refrain, that is the patter sound of the rain on the shingles on the roof tiles of his house. Let's discuss about the poetic devices in both stanzas. First poetic device is alliteration. See these two words, busy, being. So here consonant sound B is repeated. Next is rain and roof. In the last line of this stanza, here R sound, which is a consonant sound, is repeated. Then in the next stanza, see the first line, there are two words, memory and mother. So here also consonant sound M is repeated. Then see the third line, there are again two words, darling and dreamers. Here also consonant sound D is repeated. Next is onomatopoeia. I gave you the example of patter last time in my last video, which is a sound word. So here we can find one more sound word, that is tinkle. So patter and tinkle, both are sound words. Next poetic device is personification. Here recollection is personified when the poet says that it weaves dreams. That's all for today. Thank you.